Welcome, friends. Have you ever been woken up by a sharp cramp at midnight? Or felt that persistent tingling sensation making your steps feel unstable? At age 60, our bodies require a special trigger to help our muscle groups relax and recover. That vital internal switch is the essential mineral magnesium. Today, we are going to explore 7 incredible superfoods that will help revive your legs and restore your mobility right from the comfort of your kitchen. Cramps and numbness don't have to be your daily reality. By choosing the right fuel, you can unlock a life of movement and peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. I am here to guide you through this nutritional journey. Let us look at why magnesium is often called the master mineral for our aging muscles. Understanding how your body works is the first step to healing. When we lack this mineral, our nerves and muscles simply cannot communicate effectively anymore. It is time to turn that internal switch back on. Let us dive deep into the science and the solutions for your leg health and vitality. Think of magnesium not just as a mineral, but as a relaxation master. It tells your muscles exactly when to contract and, more importantly, when to relax. Without enough of it, your muscles get stuck in a painful state of contraction. This is what leads to those agonizing cramps and that heavy numbness. After 60, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing nutrients from food. This makes choosing high magnesium options more critical than ever for our daily well-being. By replenishing these levels naturally, you are giving your nervous system the tools it needs to keep your legs feeling light, responsive, and completely pain-free. Imagine walking through the park without the fear of a sudden spasm. This is the power of consistent, mineral-rich nutrition for your aging body. Every step becomes a testament to your health. When your muscles are relaxed and well-nourished, your mobility returns and your confidence grows every single day. Magnesium is truly the secret to maintaining your independence. Let us start our list with the most powerful green leaf found in nature's pantry today. Your journey to flexible, pain-free legs starts with what you put on your plate. It is a simple, natural, and incredibly effective way to heal. Let us head back to the kitchen to discover our first superfood. You might already have this one waiting for you in your refrigerator right now. First on our list is spinach. This dark, leafy green is a powerhouse of magnesium, designed by nature to support your muscles and your heart. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides nearly 40% of your daily requirement. It is an easy and delicious way to fuel your recovery. Whether you steam it, sauté it, or add it to a morning smoothie, spinach is the foundational block for rebuilding your leg strength and flexibility. Eating greens like this daily ensures a steady supply of minerals. You will feel the difference in your energy levels and the lightness of your steps. Spinach isn't just for strength, it's for silence. It silences the cramps and the tingling, allowing your legs to finally rest deeply at night. Next, we have pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with a surprising amount of minerals, making them the perfect snack for active seniors. A small handful of these seeds contains over 150 milligrams of magnesium. They are a concentrated source of relief for tired muscles. They are also rich in healthy fats and zinc, which support overall circulation. Better blood flow means fewer pins and needles in your lower limbs. Enjoy them as a crunchy topping for your salad or simply eat them plain. They are a convenient way to keep your mineral levels high all day. Don't underestimate the power of these small seeds. They are a simple addition to your routine that yields significant results for your leg health. Combining these two can create a magnesium-rich meal that acts as a natural therapy for your legs, reducing inflammation and promoting muscle ease. Nature provides everything we need if we know where to look. These humble foods are your first line of defense against the discomfort of aging. Consistency is the key to seeing real change. By making these foods a habit, you are investing in your future mobility and long-term comfort. Now, let us move on to a couple of treats that are as delicious as they are beneficial for your hard-working leg muscles and nerves. Did you know that dark chocolate is a treasure trove of magnesium? Choosing a bar with 70% cocoa or higher is the secret. A small square of dark chocolate not only satisfies your sweet tooth but also helps dilate blood vessels, improving the circulation in your legs. It also contains antioxidants that fight inflammation. This combination of benefits makes it an excellent evening ritual to prepare your body for sleep. Just one small piece is enough. It is a delightful way to support your nervous system and keep those midnight cramps at a distance. Allow yourself this healthy indulgence. When your mind is relaxed and your mineral levels are up, your legs will finally feel the peace they deserve. Our fourth superfood is the creamy avocado. This fruit is a nutritional goldmine, providing a unique combination of magnesium and healthy monounsaturated fats. One medium avocado provides about 15% of your daily magnesium needs. Its creamy texture makes it easy to incorporate into any meal. The healthy fats in avocado help your body absorb other fat-soluble vitamins, making your entire diet more effective for your joints and muscles. Avocados are also high in potassium, another essential mineral that works alongside magnesium to stop muscle spasms and regulate your nerve signals perfectly. This fruit is truly a gift for those over 60. It supports heart health while ensuring your legs remain flexible and free from tension. Sharing a healthy meal is as much about the spirit as it is about the body. Good nutrition brings joy and vitality back to your home. With chocolate for the soul and avocado for the body, you are well on your way to ending the cycle of leg pain and numbness. Now, let us look at two more foods that provide quick energy and long-term protection for your lower body's strength and endurance. The fifth superfood is almonds. These nuts are a superb source of magnesium and vitamin E, which protects the membranes of your nerve cells. Just an ounce of almonds gives you 20% of your daily requirement. They are the ultimate brain and muscle food for the active senior. Keeping a small bowl of almonds nearby ensures you always have a healthy, magnesium-rich option when you feel a bit of hunger between meals. Almonds help stabilize blood sugar levels too, which is vital for preventing the nerve damage that often leads to chronic numbness in the feet. And food number 6 is the humble banana, widely available and incredibly effective. Bananas are famous for their ability to stop cramps almost instantly. While known for potassium, a medium banana also provides a significant dose of magnesium. This combination is exactly what your muscles crave for stability. Eating a banana before your morning walk can provide the electrolytes needed to prevent your legs from feeling heavy or catching a painful cramp. Feel the energy returning to your stride. With the right minerals in your system, your muscles can handle the movement you love without any pain. Your legs are the foundation of your independence. Nourishing them with almonds and bananas is a simple act of self-care with massive rewards. This perfect breakfast duo provides a slow release of energy and a steady supply of minerals to keep you moving throughout the entire day. Small changes lead to big results. You don't need complex solutions. You just need the right foods that nature has already provided for us. Finally, we reach our last superfood. This one is a staple in many cultures and holds the key to long-term mineral balance and health. The seventh superfood is black beans. These small but mighty legumes are an incredible source of plant-based protein and, of course, magnesium. Just 1 cup of black beans provides over 120 milligrams of magnesium. They are a slow-burning fuel for your muscles and nerves. Black beans also provide high amounts of fiber, which helps keep your entire system clean and improves the absorption of all these vital minerals. Whether in a soup, a salad, or as a side dish, black beans are a versatile and budget-friendly way to ensure your legs stay strong. By combining these 7 superfoods into your weekly menu, you are creating a shield of health for your body and your precious mobility. You will begin to notice your legs feeling lighter, the tingling fading away, and your sleep becoming deep and undisturbed by painful cramps. Health is a journey of small, conscious choices. Every meal is an opportunity to heal your body and reclaim the active life you truly love. Listen to your body's signals. When you provide the magnesium it needs, it rewards you with freedom of movement and a sense of calm. I hope this information empowers you to take control of your leg health. You have the power to change how you feel every single day. Which of these superfoods is your favorite? Please share your experiences and your own health tips in the comments below for our community to see. We are all in this together. Let us support each other in staying strong, flexible, and vibrant as we enjoy our golden years to the fullest. Thank you for joining me today. May your steps be steady, your nights be peaceful, and your life be filled with health and abundant joy. Wishing you peace and resilience. Stay active, stay nourished, and I will see you in our next video. Goodbye for now, dear friends.